Hi everyone. See, this is my account which I'm trading. Okay. The day from 5 days I've started trading with a system. Each and every day was green. Okay. So what I mean to tell you is here is that whatever we trade with a simple system or a single system. Sorry. We have to trade with a single system so that the consistency of profits are more. So if you want to see the profits, here I'll let you know. Day 1 we made 6,200, day 2 1,240, day 3 1,092, day 4 1,817, day 5 1,007. So why I'm showing this is just to show my consistency with single system. Whatever I traded all these 5 days is single system, and I'm gonna trade remaining days also with the same system. Okay, so better develop a single system and practice it and know how to adjust and how to make profits. Okay, so today we're gonna learn simple strategy with help of Bolinger bands. Okay, with the help of indicators, Bolinger bands, right? Okay, so I'll remove so first we should know the rules how to trade this system. Okay, so here what I have opened is that day 1 day candlestick charts. Okay, I think you all know about what are candles, how they form. So if you don't know, you can watch my basics of trading. So there you can easily come to understand what are candles, what is the candle length, what is the opening of the candle, what is the closing of the candle, what is the high, what is the low. Okay, so here what I'm going to add Bolinger bands. See, Bolinger bands, this one. Okay, after adding this, see this one is the upper part. See, this one is the upper line, this one is the lower line, this is the middle average line. Okay, what does this lines indicates? See, in a simple language I will explain. I'm not going to explain anything with the definition or and all. I'm just explaining in a simple language. So upper line indicates that it indicates what it indicates means, so the stock is in already overbought zone, so from now the maybe selling starts. Same way from the bottom line what it indicates, already in the overselling zone, so the stock may go up. Okay, so here bias may come. Okay, after understanding what is Bollinger Bands and what will happen when it touches bottom, stock starts going up. When it touches top line, stock it will start going down. But there are some rules we have to remember, that when to buy and when to sell. Okay, you all know this is a swing trade, so in cash market we can't sell stocks and hold for more than 1 day, so we have to just think for buying opportunities. Okay, this system is for just say, whenever you think, just don't think about earning more. In what sense I'm telling is that think to earn percentage basis. Okay, if the capital, try to earn like 2.5% to try to earn 2.5% to 4% in a month. Okay, it's a decent earnings. I think Even you all know FD will give you yearly. Okay, in a year it will give not more than 5.5% right now, right? Okay, so if you can make 2.5% of up to 4% in a month, that will become like around more than 30% in a year. So I think this is a decent, and even though successful traders are also making, most of the people who have been success in trading, they have made like around 30% itself. Some people will make 100%, 1000%, 2000%, but I don't believe. I don't believe. What does it mean? That there are one or two or three or four, five, six. We can count those people who make like a huge percentage of amount, but they don't have consistency. What does it mean? They'll make in a single trade huge profits, so they'll claim that they have made that huge percentage of money. But regular consistency players, you can watch a number of people in giving seminars in YouTube. They're all going with small profits, but they make profits for a long run. So now getting into the strategy, now you came to know the rules, right? Now you know when to buy, when to sell, but we have to follow some rules. For example, see this candle, okay, this candle touched here, okay, but that doesn't mean we have to buy top of this. Okay, we have to follow some rules. What are those rules? Before entering, red candle should touch bottom line, okay, bottom line of Bolinger bands. Okay, next, even green candle should touch bottom of Bolinger bands. Okay, now came to know when to buy. When red candle touches bottom of the Bolinger band, bottom line of Bolinger band, even green candle touches bottom line of the Bolinger bands. Okay, we'll backtest it for around 2 years. We'll see how this works. Okay, see, I'll take you to the around more than like 2 years. I'm just doing for a keeping simple. I'm doing for 2 years. You can backtest n number of years from n number of different stocks. Okay, see, I started from 2020, right? See, here our rule applies, right? See, here our system is telling that okay, all our rules are proper way. Red candle is touching the bottom of Bolinger band, the green candle is also touching the bottom of Bolinger bands, right? So whenever the stock breaks upper, okay, higher of the green candle, okay, we have to enter here. So we came to know now where is the entry, and this is a stop loss bottom. Just keep some buffer, and here also buying, also keep some buffer. Okay, now this is our entry, and we'll book profit 1:2, 1:3, or when it touches the top line of the Bolinger band, top band of the Bolinger band. Okay, simple thing, right? Just simple things only give profits in market. Remember always. Okay, simple things always give profit. So got it right? Here, see, we'll back the same way. Okay, we got one trade here. Okay, and we'll search for the next trade. Don't worry, there are n number of stocks. See, there are n number of stocks. You can trade only in Nifty 50 or Nifty 100 or Nifty 200 stocks. You'll definitely get opportunities continuously. Don't see. I can give you a 100% success rate of strategy, but if it doesn't give n number of calls, then there is no use of giving such type of strategies. So the strategy should give you n number of calls also. Okay, even if it fails of success, it has to give you some calls, right? See, Here we got same thing, red candle, green candle. Okay, see here we got red candle, green candle, right? But next candles we have entered it with some buffer, right? Next candles doesn't break the high of the green candle. Got it? So we are not entering here. Same, whenever same condition, see here also we got same condition, but the next candle doesn't break the high of the this candle. Okay, simple thing, just keep simple, get better results. Okay, see next, coming on to next, here just touch, not touch, this green candle hasn't touched the bottom line, but see here it has touched. If you observe in our live market, both candles were in touching bottom line of the green candle. Okay, bottom line of Bollinger Bands, right? We have to enter with some buffer at the topper line of this green candle, and we have to exit at 1:2, 1:3, or when it touches the top of the Bollinger Bands, right? Clear, right? If you have any doubt, you can comment. I'll definitely explain. Even I will give the WhatsApp number. If you have any doubts, you can happily ask. I'm ready to reply at any time. See here again, same system, just simple things will works continuously. Here we enter it with buffer, and we keep stop loss, and we take, see, no fake signals, nothing, anything, just following the rules, just simple things. See here, same system, right? Here it went, but came back and it stop loss. We have to take stop loss in the market. If not, that's dangerous. Okay, I'll let you know how to improve with these profits. Okay, stop losses are regular, means what we have to do. Yeah, stop loss hit regularly, but thing is that I'll explain for that how much what is the capital you have to deploy for one trade, one stock. Then you'll come to know how to maintain the consistency. Okay, see, yes, selling also it make it, you get n number of calls, but what happens is in selling see here we got call, right? Break, this is stop loss with some buffer. See, no single, exact this, no single stock has came up to this line. See, I'm unable to draw a straight line, sorry, here it is, sorry, here. Okay, I'm unable to draw a straight line. Okay, sorry. So here also we made a profit, right? See, n number of times we're making profits. Here also we got call, right? Here also we got call, we made profit. Okay, use profits. Here we didn't get any calls. Here again we got call. See, again here we got call, right? Again here we got call, right? So same simple thing. Here we would have entered, it would have gone up to the 1:2 or the top of the Bolinger Bands. Okay, right? Then come to here. What is stop loss, right? Not this green candle. Stop loss, I'll explain it clearly about stop loss. Okay, this one, two candles, that red candle and green candle, right? Which one is the lowest one? That should be the stop loss. Okay, simple thing, right? So that way you have to enter into the market. Okay, see how many trades we did. Around we got more than 7 calls in a, right? 7 calls, I think around 1 or 2 stop losses. Okay, but see, stop loss is just 1:1 risk reward ratio. Okay, risk reward, but profits we took more than 1:3, 1:4. Okay, so our probability, okay, you can tell that, okay, so 2 years, within 2 years only 7 times I would have entered. No, that's wrong, because see, there are n number of stocks, right? N number of stocks, it would have given you n number of opportunities. But see, okay, Okay, we'll calculate for a while with a percentage basis. Okay, if you have an 1 lakh, right, you are going to invest 1 lakh into the mutual funds or whatever it may be, some safe playing. Okay, we have to play safe, right, because it's a hard earned money, right? So if you have, take example, if you have 1 lakh, you would have done into the mutual funds. Okay, for example, you would have entered into the mutual funds with a 1 lakh rupees, safe, and okay, you would have been returns of 15%. You would have earned 15%. I'm telling about decent returns. Even this is also a huge returns I'm calculating, because this much returns even mutual funds won't give. Only sometimes, some impossible times, it will get 100% also in mutual funds, because say that when corona came and the market was falling, when you entered at the bottom, then it would have been huge amount of returns, but it won't happen all years. So this is possible 15% returns, right? Okay, so same way, if you would have entered with our system, the system which have set with proper rules, you would have followed all the rules. Okay, what would be the return? 7 times you have entered, right? Just enter for a trade, and 7 times means every time the stock has been 1:2, double 2 times. If say, for example, take Sun TV itself, the stock price is 500 rupees, right? This is price. How many stocks would you get with 500? 1 0 0, cancel 5 2 0. See, you would have get 200 shares, right? You would have been get 200 shares every time. The length of the candle was like around more than 15 10 to 15 rupees, right? It's 10 to 15 rupees, right? 7 times you would have made profit. Mean 7 times means it is 14,000. 7 times to length of the candle we have to calculate, right? 207 times, and length of the candle around more than 10 to around more than 7 means 7 into 2, 1:2 times, right? 7 into 2. So this is 2,800, right? Okay, 2,800, because 1:2, 1:3, 1:3 also we would have booked sometimes, because Bolinger band, bottom Bolinger bands also, it would be on 1:3. Okay, into around 15, if we take average length of the candle, 0 0, around it's 120, 15 to 30, 42. See, 42,000 you would have made with a simple setup, simple thing, right? So think means okay, mutual funds. One more doubt you may get, that we can't enter every time by seeing the market, because we'll be busy with our works, we'll be at the office, right? But there is a option we can enter where we can enter with yes, there are different types of orders, right? GTT order is also there. Okay, we can enter with different types of order. There is GTT order, means we don't need to see the market. Just the night time, or whenever we are free for 10-15 minutes, we can watch all the stocks, and we can kept GTT order. Then it will automatically enter into our order. It will even take the stop loss also. So there is no need to watch the market every time. Same as mutual funds, but it is better, right? I'll calculate and show what is the percentage of returns you would have made with that system. Okay, what is our investment? What we got, like around 42,000, right? 42,000, 1 lakh, 0.42. Okay, into, sorry, see, 42%. Even 2020-21 market has fallen like anything because of corona and all those things. Even though you would have made around more than, okay, you would have made more than 40%. even though you would have made 42% returns with simple things. Okay, so now I'll explain one more thing clearly, how to enter. Okay, there are best way to enter. Okay, with capital management, with psychology also. I'll explain the psychology how to enter. Okay, see, if you have 1 lakh rupees, okay, you have 1 lakh rupees, right? So divide it by 5. Divide it by 5, you'll get 20,000. So whatever amount, divide it by 5 and enter into the 5 stocks, 5 best stocks. 5 best stocks, whenever they give chance, 5 or Nifty 50. Nifty 50 is also very good stocks. Okay, Nifty 50 stocks also you can enter. Just you need daily 10 to 15 minutes to absorb what happening. Okay, then you can divide money and you have to enter with 20,000. Okay, how to enter? How to enter is same. You should get same profit in every stock. If you lose also, same loss in every stock. So how to do that? Simple thing. We have capital, right? 20,000 for each stock, right? So what is our loss? What is loss potential for this 20,000? That we have to calculate. So if you are ready to take loss of 500, okay, loss of 500, then you have to divide this 500 loss with length and you have to enter that number of shares. Then see, for example, see, now for example, I'll take the real trade itself. Okay, here, see, here we got call, right? What is the length of the candle with stop loss? Okay, see, high of this candle is 451, right? Low of this candle is 425. 451. What is the value? See, we'll calculate this here clearly. What? 451 minus around 420, right? Sorry, length of the candle is 31 rupees. Clear? Okay, length of the candle is 31 rupees. So you loss is 500. So 500 divided by length of the candle, if you make, you'll get number of shares. So you have to enter just 16 shares. 16 shares if you enter, it will give up to 1:2, 1,500 profit. You have to exit. Simple, right? Whatever I explained. Okay, now it is clear, right? What we have to do, we have to divide our loss with the length of the candle. Loss with length of the candle. Then you'll come to know what is the number of shares you have to enter. Then repeat this for same thing for all stocks. Then even if you lost in two stocks, you can make profit in remaining 3 stocks. Then see, the returns is here 1:1, here 1:2, 1:3, right? So it's so you'll be at 10 profits. So what I think you understood whatever I explained. Apply in a proper way, you'll definitely be in a profits for long run. This is the best way to even investment also, or swing trading. Just within like 5, 6, 7 days you'll get the returns, and you can use that money to the other trades. So you can get n number of opportunities to make profits, even though if you are working professional. Okay, if you want to backtest for other stock also, I'll show the other stocks also what they have did. Okay, for example, take this Tata Motors also. We'll go for a backtest for 2 years. It would have been worked or not. Okay, then you'll come to know what is the consistency of this profit, this strategy. Okay, consistency, this strategy does has consistency or not. See here, if you have entered here, you got call, right? See here, you got call. If you have booked profit at 1:2, it would have been given 1:2. Okay, 1:2 it has given you, 1:2 it has given. But if you are waiting for to touch, it would have been hit the stop loss. Let it be, not an issue with the stop loss, because we are at least saving our money by keeping the stop loss. So stop loss are good in trading. Never forget to keep stop loss in your market. See here, you got, but the next candle hasn't broken the top. See here the same condition has formed. Here also same condition, here also same condition, but the next candles hasn't broken the high, so we haven't got the chance to enter. Here also same story, we haven't got the chance to enter here also. So see here, we got the system has, see how it went, 1:3, 1:4, 1:2, like it never came back again after we got call from here. Okay, here we got call, see, right? So in market, always remember that simple things work. There is no rocket science or nothing else. Here also, see, also it would have been, here also we got call, but it went stop loss. Not an issue, because we are making loss at 1:1 and we are taking profits of, see here we got call again. It has been here, if it would have entered, it would have been gone like anything. Simple thing. Okay, so it's, see here you got, it gave 1:2, right? 1:2. No way we got chance. Here we got chance again, and it went like this. Okay, here okay, what about this condition? See, this is a different condition where I have to discuss this also. See, whenever the both candles touches the bottom line and any one of the candle touches the middle line, then don't take at all trade, because it has already moved lot upwards. It has moved to up to the average point, and it may get chances of getting reversal. Okay, so don't touch this type of stocks which has already moved lot. Okay, this, right? Next, again we got here chance, we got here again, but the top, it hasn't broken the top. We got here chance, it went zoom. Simple, right? Very simple. Even the selling also, it will get the chances, but selling we have to enter in futures or options. So I'll explain that too also in with a simple strategy with the options or using futures also, because if we okay, I'll explain that also here. Wait. Okay sir, you said about buying, right? Okay, what about selling? Selling, we have to go with the positional, right? Selling positional, we have to trade only in futures or options, right? So next video I'll definitely explain with risk free. Remember this, risk free, not 100%, but risk free, like we'll get more profits but less risk. We have to follow the stop loss rules. That I will explain in a proper way, so that you won't miss chance of selling also. Okay, you won't miss chance of selling also. I think you like, I think if you like this video, I think the strategy is good enough to give. If you feel that its strategy is very good, please subscribe. I need your support. Like, comment and share. But remember, I'm not making you rich, but I'm definitely making, definitely you'll success in market. Because success, if you success in market, then only you'll become rich. Okay, don't think to become earn like invest 10,000, earn 1 lakh. No, no, that's not good. Invest 1 lakh, earn 10,000. That is the real. Okay. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, like, comment, share. Thank you so much.